Hi, and welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this end makeup look is inspired by Emerald from CV Universe. Yes, we only saw her in one episode, and that didn't stop me. Honestly, I've been wanting to do Emerald since San Diego Comic-Con, where they actually kind of first showed her off, because first of all, her voice actress is Jinx Monsoon, who I am a huge fan of. Like, I remember way back when Jinx was on Drag Race, I wanted her to win, and she won. And I am so proud of how far she's come. Um, and I know she's a huge fan of Steven Universe, where she would actually perform Giant Woman to crowds saying, all I want to do, all I want to be, is someone who gets to be a giant woman, a giant woman. And then would bring in, like, Rebecca Sugar into somehow. I can't remember off the top of my head. But here she is now, part of the Steven Universe canon. She is a high-ranking homeworld gem. And honestly, I am so proud for her. I'm so proud for me with how this came out. I am just so ecstatic right now. So, I don't want to continue to ramble on, but if you want to see how I create this look, continue watching. Okay, so let's get started, and I already took care of my eyebrows and my eyeshadow primer, and I set the primer using a combination of bone and suede from the Metal Matte palette by Kat Von D. And before I go into any other shades from here, I'm actually going to be going into a Sephora Collection eyeshadow shade, and I do not, let's see, this is, if I can pop it out real quick, N274, which I also think was called Military Green. I cannot remember off the top of my head, but I'm going to actually be taking the shade again, and I'll be running that into my crease using a fluffy brush. And no, unlike the Steven video, I'm not going to zoom in because that just made no sense for me to actually do that. This is like the second time I use this eyeshadow, I think, and I actually really love it. Actually, the Sephora Collection eyeshadows are so underrated, and I know it right now, like, a lot of them are on sale for like $5 instead of the $10 that they normally are, so if you want some, go and get them. And I think they're probably reformulating them because I haven't seen them out in a few stores, so run. Okay, so going back to the Metal Matte palette, I'm going to take the shade right here, Moss, and just run that into the crease. Just a little bit lower than what I ran that first shade. Taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, I'm going to just lightly blend. Taking my tried and true, I love this little brush. Taking my little packer brush, I'm going to take the shade Watt and just pop that on the center of the lid, but there's more to it, so it's not going to be the usual. So because Emerald also has those like yellow parts to her, I'm going to be taking Helia from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and that same brush, and just patting it more on the, like, this portion, not the full inner, but like right in here. Okay, actually no, we're gonna put it all over. Now you just have like that little green gold shift, and it looks really fun and pretty in person. Take my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, I'm just going to blend out these colors. Okay, so now you should have like duochrome lids, and I love it. Later on I'll actually be using another shade. I just want to say it now because I had to go everywhere looking for the shade. This is Venom by NYX, and I kind of want to put it on now. No, I'll save it for later. It's a very, very very pretty green with like gold and yellow reflex. So now off camera, I'm actually going to take care of my eye, like my lashes, mascara, liner, lashes, my full face. And for eyeliner, I'm actually going to be using a new eyeliner for me, but I got this specifically for this video. This is the HD this is the NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner in Vivid Halo, and I just think this yellow is going to work very well, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're back. I actually almost completely restarted this because I winged the liner out too much, and then I realized, oh, they're not right, they're not even, and then I remembered, oh yeah, my eyes are asymmetrical, so it doesn't matter. But I did do to the best of my ability to get them as close to matching as I can for each shape, and then I just put my face on. Using basically everything that I normally use, plus the Aurora Glow Kit, using the same one I used up top on here. So it does have more of like a gold sheen to it on the skin, but on top of the other eyeshadow, it just gives it that gold duochrome, and I love it. Okay, so moving back to the eyes, I'm going to take that shade Moss and just run it along the lower lash line using this this liner brush. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking that same military green shade and running that all across the lower lash. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking this Sephora collection. This is one of their their contour eye pencils, and this is in the shade, where is it? Good Mood, and it's this nice green. And I'll be running that in my waterline. Okay, so this is the first time I actually use this, and it is so creamy, it just glides on. I mean, I barely had to tap it. Like, you can see, like, barely anything was used, and it's super pigmented, super creamy. I love it. So earlier I mentioned the shade. This is NYX's prismatic, the prismatic eyeshadows, and this is the shade Venom. I'm going to be popping that in the inner corner because I've been wanting this one. Okay, I love this. I'm gonna have to use this again soon. Okay, I'm actually going to quickly do my little beauty mark. Hold on, I have a little hair right here. And for that, I'm actually gonna be using the same eyeliner and just popping it on. Okay, oh, I actually did I did my mascara off of camera. I used Wet n Wild Lash Renegade, but now we're gonna move on to the lips. Okay, so for lipstick today, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle. Oh my gosh, Venom is popping so much and I'm dying, I'm gagging. This is the Mademoiselle, or the Mademoiselle, lipstick in the shade Midnight Wasabi, which, I love it. Okay, so I think that's about as good as I'm gonna be able to get them with this. That's the one thing about this, is really hard to get a good line, but this formula is so lightweight. Like, you can saw I was like packing it on because I am crazy, but it feels like there's nothing there. I love this formula. Now, of course, every time I do a gem, I had to have some type of glow on the lips, and today it's going to be the Bite Beauty. This is one of their prismatic lip glosses in the shade Gold. Okay, now I'm going to set my face using my Milani Make It Last setting spray. I'm going to let down my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are at the finished look, and I honestly love this so much. Green is not a color I'm a big fan of. I'm like Michelle Visage, like green I'm not a big fan of, but I love it on my eyes because my eyes just pop. Same with gold on my eyes just pop. And I hate, like yellow is my least favorite color, but I am loving this yellow liner. So together I think everything just kind of works so well together, and I love how this turned out. I'm honestly so surprised by how it turned out because I knew I was like, okay, green, my eyes are gonna kind of like pop, and I'm like, okay, yeah, we're popping. Oh my gosh, the squeak's back. Anyway, I'm so excited that I was actually able to do this because I'm still slightly under the weather. So I'm glad that I was able to do this, and I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video and you want to see more, please do. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what else to say, so thank you for watching. I am so honestly in love with this. I'm probably gonna wear this to the store. Yeah, I actually had to go to the store and get some stuff. I had to go get some greens. I'm actually not joking. I'm making a salad tonight, so I need to go get the greens. That's the best joke I could have thought of. Good job, Lonnie. I'm honestly delirious, but thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.